You don't hear and correct Jan every that. So if you never get her for your playlist, Trash App, go download her. They're available on top of digital platforms.
Like in a Cash App,
yeah.
Cash App.
Okay, no, all digital platforms.
No, it says sharp.
Okay, sharp.
Cash App.
You too like money, that be your problem. Don't be say anything. Now, still Nigeria FM 102.7 in position for life and direct. Exactly 11 a.m. right now. A few seconds that we can pass and do. Time that for us to bring you Tuesday edition of Across the Bridge with Morning Runs host R&B and
Becca Blaze
alongside the workshop host there, First Voice of Nigeria FM. Because they come back from sweet holiday. Godwin Aruwayo.
No, I did say once I just come from Swiss.
It's Swiss. Now one day they travel go there come back.
I know.
Okay, so you go Friday. No, they come back yesterday.
No, if you get your private jet, if you go come back.
You not be Davido now when Papa they get private jet.
No.
Or you not be whiskey when they pay for private jet.
My Papa no get private jet. The difference between my Papa and Davido, Papa, between my Papa serve Nigeria, Davido no serve.
So because your Papa serve Nigeria, you know if you buy private jet, then you not serve Nigeria.
No,
you buy private jet.
Businessman. So he concentrate on his business hammer. My Papa busy carry gun, they fight war.
So you try to say those when they serve the country, they know they fit make money.
And those wey serve will not become the orgas.
Orgas. Okay, the one wey become the orgas.
When become the orgas, and then put us where with this.
They right now.
The ones who really serve, they don't even see their pension. Like my Papa. Anyway, that's why those ones they don't get private jet.
You don't hear the voice of Godwin Aruwayo. Then we get the Asan 51 of Nigeria FM, Lady JJ. How far now?
I do okay.
Okay. We get a lot of issues. Yes, most start with bestie first, Abi. Yeah, but most start with bestie. We'll do that issue first.
Which one be bestie?
Vote. We get topical issue. You never hear the bestie trending issues.
Oh yeah, most start with the bestie.
Bestie before we focus on other Nigeria issue, the debt arrangement. So, Lady J, I asked Lady J. Yes, okay, I not ask Lady J. But you not give me better answer.
I mean, you ask her.
No, you don't ask me.
I not ask you. No, I not ask you. So Godwin, all of us they present here right now. Both dissect this issue. So for a while now, for the past I think 4 to 5 days, the issue of bestie, what bestie if you do, and what bestie not if you do, don't they go? So I want to ask you, at any point for your life, you don't get bestie.
The opposite sex.
Not forget to bestie different from best friend. Bestie most time now always your opposite. The opposite sex gender. That means as a man you get woman as your bestie. Yes. As a lady you get man as your bestie. And most time una they very very close to this. I say una fit sleep the same room.
And
nothing go happen. They go talk say nothing they happen. You get at any point you don't be bestie or you don't get bestie.
I get before I'm married. I get when I still there engaged, I get bestie.
Okay.
So even though say I did engage with somebody else, I get bestie because the bestie. Not like my best friend before I even get engaged. So it still be my bestie. That one itself you go that one as in I don't even get to explain to my fiance that time say this one yeah no correct. So me and if you just come out like this, walk enter anywhere. But I tell you the bestie go enter and say hey. You know, say they normally get plenty boxers. They like you just come, you just go to my wardrobe, they select. I like this color, I like this color. You go collect all my boxers. Say this one. Say they be like
you they go for God. They
big knicker for them. You go wear them. You go enter my kitchen, collect anything where they eat, do everything.
And your fiancé then was there in the house.
Yes, and they tell us
so
this person.
Tell your fiancé down.
Say this one. Wait, see so nothing there.
How long will I do bestie?
For who do best? Titi will still be best friend.
So at any point something happen.
Or at any point there where you can't get feelings for her.
No.
You should not your best.
Nothing happen. And at no point where we get feelings. But eventually the thing cause trouble. Because madam no come grieve eventually say this closeness don't too much. So na like closeness wey don't come too much. Na bestie come kuku. Na she come decide say this one she don't do like this. Me and you now understand say nothing they go on. But because this person dey uncomfortable, we can agree say okay, make it. Even though me I no really agree make it pull out because me I dey comfortable, but for some she come pull out. You understand? It cause problem, but nothing ever. Funny enough, nothing ever happen.
Okay.
Man tell you I will take be bestie rich that time. If I after I did my final year, if I dey go school, no say once I don't go enter bus for Ido Park, go Zaria, go school ABU for Zaria. Once I don't go, and then they come back to the end of the year. She knows I know will come back. She should follow me reach park in the morning. She will dey cry. You understand? That's how we close. Then we go dey write letter
to each other.
How you there, all that kind of stuff. Even though I still get girlfriend and somebody, you understand? So we dey close like that. Up to now, we see even dey close, but no be like that time.
So this one are like before 2000, abi?
This one has since like from 99, 2000, 2001 till today will still be very, very
I never opened then really that
Who
time.
thought so?
But Godwin, calm down. I don't ask you a question, don't answer your own. You say nothing happened between you and that
Nothing
bestie.
happened. Nothing
Okay.
happened.
Lady J, you don't get bestie before.
Yeah, I get bestie.
Opposite sex.
Opposite sex
Not big,
bestie.
okay.
But nothing. Well, nothing happened. Unfortunately, in the late, he died in 2017. 2017 April. But now,
But you know the bestie one. They told you and I go sleep the same bed
no,
though.
we never sleep the same bed.
Not
but
be your
if
bestie now.
we don't have to sleep on the same bed, but him be the one and only person where if he call me at any time, and I go answer.
What will be the closest thing one
The
do?
closest thing where we don't do now, aside from those calls at any time at all, we dey go a lot of places together.
So you never come house one and no ever did the same house together alone till
No,
the next
That
day.
one not
No,
be bestie, na friend.
no.
That one.
No,
Na
but
friend,
now
that
this
one.
is not be friend. We don't go beyond friendship because at least in day single, I too day single. So at the point now feelings don't they enter.
Oh, feelings
Okay,
enter for
feelings
your
don't
own.
enter
Don't
before
they
he late.
enter before he late.
Oh, okay. At
Yeah.
least your own day close. So Becca, you don't get bestie before.
I
Abi
get
bestie?
a lot of male friends, but I never get
bestie.
one as my bestie because most of these people when they come in, they just talk. So, okay, Becca, I want to be your
bestie.
friend. Most of them they say I want to be your bestie, but now the people where we say they don't ask me out, where I say okay, no, I
You
cannot
know,
give
they
you
want
chance.
come
They now
date
say okay,
you.
can I be close to you?
So that when
to
the
be
things
your
on another
bestie?
door, they pull-
You understand?
they pull up part,
Yeah,
okay.
so-
No, if they get closer, maybe if you change your mind along the way.
Yeah, and me, I don't know the intention from the source, from the ground already.
Okay,
Say
so you not
now
even
because
give ground.
you want, now because of that you won't come do bestie. So I just say no.
So you don't be bestie to person?
Not really,
Not really.
not really,
Okay.
not really.
Like me now, most of my best. If I count my finger, my 5 best friends, like 4 now women.
Best friend and bestie are two different things.
No, now they
Wetin
tell
be
you so.
bestie? Bestie
No,
na say you dey do everything.
they
together.
very.
We should dey the same room together.
Now only one bestie I don't ever
That
get.
na when you
but
go become my bestie. No na.
Oh yeah, you.
You this
See you
one.
later.
This one.
You don't get enough now. See
Champion,
your face.
champion of besties.
At the of the opinion, best friend is okay. But you see this issue of bestie, even though you want to do bestie, you got get limits. Now, most especially when you dey do bestie and you get somebody, whether that's a serious relationship, that's girlfriend or guy, or you get wife or husband, when it comes to that, there has to be a limit. As a single guy, when you get bestie, no problem. You get. Now, I don't get experience of where I be bestie to somebody. Now, why from that, now, I not feel green, make my wife get man as bestie.
Because
Or
now
maybe-
they
even me.
do cheat on you.
Yeah, even me self, I don't even caution myself. So I marry, like before that, I get people when I say best friend. Me, I don't even caution myself like to a level. Say, you know, guy, you want close rich person, they call her bestie. But the better opinion stuff. Okay, now my side chick, and
Yeah.
you get me because you see this bestie when most of us they use play. So you know, you don't pass normal close. Now I thought not be best. You don't pass the
My closeness.
of friend. Because this one, we see two besties recently when they get asleep for the same bed.
Yeah,
Now even
yeah.
bring this conversation when people Mona shut up, which kind of best so that they take each other before one can explain say, do you think we cannot do this? I know they say possible friendship not fit come between opposite sex. If it did, but when you don't reach that level of bestie, and you not get limit around, na problem. It be
The way,
most of
me,
them when you get
the, way,
partner.
the way me I even see the bestie matter, it dey easier if both of them they single.
Single.
You
I understand. So
if,
you
like,
take that
if one person
una
marry,
swallow
if
am.
one person marry eventually, even if you see they comfortable, say with your bestie, the other person no, most time no they comfortable, and so
Yes,
part of
yes, when your partner.
as part of your sacrifice now to say
You got
okay,
let-
you get to
give
let her and
limits.
go. You understand? But because most people they say they get bestie, even if they get relationship, the bestie don't day before they enter relationship.
Friendship, yeah.
And so because that bestie don't day and two of them no see themselves like that, say me then go serious relationship. In fact, you go find out sometimes the guys even take permission for this. I like this girl, oh. You understand? Maybe Becca and my bestie and I say, I like this lady, this Joy, or which is you go say, make her assess her first. After a while, you go say, I think she get nice. Go. Then your bestie go they tell you, may you go to. Meanwhile, you go they tell the girl say, my bestie, you go introduce them. Fine. When I don't they comfortable, when the relationship don't they go far. After 9 the DJ will come, they say, actually, this closeness don't they too.
Don't they go far.
At that point, you say go begin to decide, say, okay, you need to withdraw. So most besties they exist before serious relationship. When serious relationship come, then
You
you see
got
they exist. But after a while, you go
limits
still need to
that
begin
day.
to put limits, otherwise it go cause problem.
I just remember Itu late. Name na Charles. Now Charles na my bestie in every sense of the word bestie. As in nowhere where we they go that time for just anywhere where any program anywhere at all. Once I did there,
religious programs.
Charles go there. Whether na backup for inside choir na two of us they select to do backup, whether na for church or for inside studio. Two of us. We did so close to the point. Say Charles they will tell me say, I like this girl. Again, we get the same mutual friend, so in like her. Now go say ask her out now. Go talk to her now. Then later she come tell me say Charles don't come ask me out. I say what do you tell him? I like him too, but I never make up my mind yet. She no say Charles already tell me say I like him. That now how close we dey in feelings no ever come inside, but that one no mean say
I see to say that one not
but now feel say people wey
when me and Charles for me and Charles even though it never happen, me and Charles fit dey the same room and nothing go happen
and you go change,
nothing go happen as when I not be in front of am I go change for instance as when I say dey the same room like now maybe I go visit am and then we dey talk maybe it's late too. Sleep for bed now. You go find somewhere, arrange somewhere on top rock, sleep for there. Nothing go happen between the two
maybe
of us.
because una two they come from the same church.
Now, based on my
experience, Godwin, the first best thing I ever get, her name na Violet. He get serious ma friend. You get me now. From there, I start to tell myself, say never I go ever green. Whoever I want did make it get opposite sex as a bestie. I did remember this girl go day. He go day 11 p.m. Now it be the lowest when they ever come in for night. You go come for front of a man. I beg I dey come your side right now. Gbogbo. The waiting the suya when they shop remains on time or the one for road or anything when he serious my friend buy for another time. He go carry a come. For that one mind. I just be bestie. So you get, but this girl go come.
But you
big. But we stand on the ground say we be bestie. You get. So having that experience, based on say that me day the other end, I don't tell myself say there are levels to which you feel do this bestie, which especially when you get partner, married, or when you even get serious relationship self. The issue of saying bet, you got actually limit. I know say most of us, especially right now, even they worse. Now I make I say even when your own happen, and some of us still get small moral,
and then people still get conscience.
And then
I never opened that time.
And then you also need to understand that people different.
Yeah.
The fact like the fact say I get bestie, nothing happen, and I get most of my best friends are females, nothing happen between me and them. No mean say my partner will come dey comfortable. If me I dey comfortable with that kind of thing, you need to understand partner, your partner if and so if your partner no dey comfortable, even though you know say nothing happen,
you gotta make some adjustment.
You go see make some kind of adjustment.
It just be like when I marry, I know how many people I limit yarns with. Like when I marry, most people my babes and they send me pictures like I do this, see the way this one they go, see I just see boy see wait here this guy I do this one for me, I do like. But when I marry, I just got before I marry my woman knows all those things there. But I just tell myself I don't feel continue because this one will be disrespect to Mommy Joe. So kind of like not make a quarrel. We just got limit that kind of conversation. So now few of them so we just talk once in a time, but they frequent as it be. So this now little sacrifice, especially when they relationship or marriage supposed to do.
Mommy Joe yourself, she they even still try for you because your female friends are too much.
Right now,
yes.
That means you don't know me before.
I make a plenty female friends. That means you don't reduce well with that.
And they don't even reduce.
The one where they cook for me, the one where they call me, go drink
get one where call and say, okay, she just cook for her, make come collect food.
Cook different soup.
How have you can't show me? You can't show me. Say Becca, please, which one make I choose?
But nothing they bad now.
No, nothing they bad. Now they try telling me, I don't carry go the follow down go the
wait
for the same room.
No, but Bomegio no get any problem with you collecting the soup now. I mean,
she not agree it when I carry it to Suria. Now the next day, they call it that's all. You're eating my side chick because and I don't reach out. He said I'm eating. I say yes, but I would still like to eat. Should I carry one plate of the soup? Then they say your children should eat it.
Everything you need to do. Say everything at the end of the day now understand. Like me now for my house now. One of my best friends, female, they stay in my house now.
Yeah.
They stay in my house Monday to Friday. Because in your office now just like how many minutes from my house? You understand? Meanwhile, in house, there are those almost near that first stack side. All of us know how traffic they be.
You never for once say, now my best call you for the
No. You know, so that one now. You know what they say? Once you come out from work, he did for house and everything. Sometimes I go say, he get the way she they cook her own noodle. What they like say, we don't come say, go cook noodle for me. Now I want to what that I don't like. Then my children go say, I like aunties do whatever. Then mama self go say, then mama self go say. Me too, I like your own version. She go cook everybody to eat, you understand? So when she just come out, once she just bath, come out, she go enter kitchen, take food, eat. We don't see her now like, don't be like family member. In the same Monday to Friday.
You go for like that for bread.
But you know, say you go come down say because say they stay house now. You can't say one sleep for that. Now my room in one sleep. All those kind of things.
Funny enough, we get something where beside just.
You get one time my friend.
Hey, Lady Jenita, I want to talk.
Wait, Becca talk.
You know that time they don't allow me to talk.
Please. So yeah, sorry. Sorry now.
See your fire hair. Yeah, talk.
Sorry now. I'll buy you sweet. I go buy you.
I know what sweet chocolate.
So yeah, don't worry, I go buy you
sweet now,
chocolate.
baby.
A whole box, yeah.
So I get one to where I remember. I remember that time when I be they do my internship with one company like that. So I can't get issue with accommodation. I just remember now, say I don't sleep on top bed with somebody where I know they did before. So wait now. So the one of my friend, the guy is married. So before the guy married that time, the guy would ask me out at that time. But I know agree. So we're just friends then. So but eventually he come marry somebody else. So he can't still introduce me to the girl where he married. Say this is my friend though. Say nothing. So the girl, although the first time the girl meets me, you know, as I dress and everything, the girl asks the guy, say,
are you sure?
You sure?
Any normal girl or wife go.
No, you go for sure.
He says you sure, say because she be like saying like your spec. I can't say no. So when the guy come they tell me, say my wife say you be my spec. I say no. Because if I be your spec, that means now somebody like me you go marry. Because the wife don't even get curves. Now just slim person. So I say, so if I be your spec, that means your wife supposed to get curves. So I not be your spec. So to tell cut all the long story short, I can't stay for their house that period. So he don't tell me before say in friends too they stay for their house and at the same room. Me and the friend go they
share.
So I don't even know. So as I don't pack my note, come on from my parents' house from Sango.
So you are
go their house.
You are going to let your life.
I say their visitors room, like they are going to sleep. As I they carry my load reach, I just see another load for one corner. I'm not able to say who get this load. So I don't consider that friend don't go work obviously. And so the guy just come back from work. Okay, but the thing's okay. This guy goes to go in house. I just say the guy go that same room where I want sleep, change clothes.
Come outside.
Wear boxer.
Can't sleep on bed. They press phone.
I can't
go meet with my friend. I say, where your friend they go in house? He said, no, he also lives here, so he's going to be your roommate. Money, eh?
You follow us,
my roommate. And so me and the guy they sleep for the same bed, but there was nothing. But we now became close to an extent. Say when I wash clothes and my clothes never dry, I go wear in top.
Okay.
So now so in girlfriend can't come house. So
you own girlfriend because
yes.
We person when they squat, they can't get come house when they squat.
So the girl can't see her. No, say she can't sleep. She can't see her boyfriend. And so the guy
can't see you wearing t-shirt.
She checked. Modified will happen that day.
Problem don't happen. They don't beat t-shirt.
Because no explanation you want to explain why babe come seeing guy come see another girl where the girl where she no know. If that girl where you know self.
My hand fall because I don't have to know where to talk. The guy say you. I say nah. I say nothing. I say my clothes there for wire for us. I say I don't get clothes. I go when I borrow his boyfriend shirt. He say no way. Blah blah. Don't be smart now that day.
No settle that reason.
Now the next morning I say they leave.
You come out.
I come out.
I
come out. So now that's waiting. I remember when they close to being a bestie to someone.
But last anyway, if you feel say you get waiting to benefit from bestie and you feel no problem, you not be say with the discourage you say may not do bestie. But as far as you get partner, make sure say you have a limit to it and give respect to your partner. You get me. Anyway, Godwin, on that side issue day.
Yeah.
You don't hear say within 6 years money when they don't borrow.
No, that one are old news. I'm on 33 trillion, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, no, from from 2015 waka courage now over $2 billion. They don't collect from only China. You get before now Nigeria actually the whole China I think 1 point something, but since this administration come they don't borrow over $2 billion. So and based on the whole arrangement, you know, see this money they do some project I was supposed to pay back in the next 20 years. I just see finance for inside the contract of the agreement of the loan now only 2.50% interest rate 90 but we get 7 years grace period
extra
after that
grace.
20 years. If we not coffee pay back, China
they come and take over.
They'll take all the project where they use money, they'll take over, which actually means say the land and everything they do, they will take over.
They'll take the project from.
Yes, now certain they will
So
take over.
so now
the
China will
project.
can't own the trade.
Can't own the trade, can't own
I know this,
anywhere they use the money.
That money, yeah.
I think they try one day sure of where and where. Okay, this loan from China are tied to this particular project. 9/11 in number as of March 31st, 2020. That was last year. Not forget, they don't borrow more money. This project include the Nigeria Railway Modernization Project, which is the Kaduna section, the Abuja Light Rail Project, the Nigeria 4 Airport Terminal Expansion Project, which go there Abuja, Kano, Lagos, and Port Harcourt. Then the Nigeria Railway Modernization Project, which is the Lagos Ibadan session, and the rehabilitation and the upgrading of the Abuja Kefi Makurdi Road project. So all these projects now, if you have to say after 27 years we don't pay this loan back, they'll come back. Now that would be my major concern. Like you really feel say if we pay this, not forget our loan, our debt now don't increase.
The most shocking part is say all this way collect this loan no go there around.
They're not with it by then. So
you understand? People like us, me and you will go see there.
Yeah, we
our
can see
children
it.
will not be so.
Our children know there yet.
Yes.
Our children go to another place.
I suppose we take that way.
Our children don't go there.
And by me saying that we go see there, yeah, you know me say Nigeria, we go see there the world.
We go see there the world. We go see there, so we go see how the matter go play out. You understand? Because the way our naira they fall, like person waiting for elevator, we don't lose control. I don't know how they want to pay that kind of thing. And now I'm gonna tell you the kind of government who we get, leaders who we get, where they collect loan, they put it best for future generations head. How want to pay? Man, tell you why it go difficult to pay back. Because the world they move away, they move towards moving away from oil. It don't they reach. Yes, they call
your price go fall.
By that 27 years time, nobody go they buy oil like they buy.
Even to 10 years from now.
When people don't they do electric cars, they look for alternative energy source.
But
they think on how to pay this money back.
As me and you do like this now, Shell and Chevron don't they pull out of Nigeria?
Yes.
They don't they do. So if at this level now, no more Shell worry again now. Before they get share worry, we are Shell Port Harcourt, Shell Lagos. No more share worry. So many staff don't go. They pull out. Chevron the same thing. Some of their staff protest recently where they say because they want to lay them off. If the oil companies they pull out,
what you can't remember? What you go be our?
Yes, and they see the future. Say a time don't they come when all these things no go. So in the next 27 years time, which oil you want they sell to who? Who want buy
borrow money from that country to take pay?
Okay, we go borrow to take pay the Igbese. They can't do another 27 years Igbese with those ones.
But the problem now be say I'm not sure say we go ready, you know, waive our sovereign immunity to those countries because only Chinese we don't feel waive and to fit get access to this loan.
Who even signed this kind of contract? Say they come collect them.
Minister of Transportation.
You understand? Now I'm gonna tell you. So me I not see how they want to pay the money now because. Right now, they complain they need to make enough money and the world
even money to share self.
Yeah, the more they move away from oil, so I don't see how they want to pay this money back. Except we cut down the cost of governance.
That one last never.
And they know if they change the National Assembly, like they gather both the Senate and House of Rep, will be over 400 and something. If they limit them to maybe like 100 people, cut the salary and everything of over 300.
They say for when one had numbers, they say they already.
Now they tell you so. Now the only way to cut down the government if they cut all those things, all this PA to the SA to the SA, then cut all those things down at all levels. You know, all the waste if they cut them down, and the only way we go to save money if they continue the way that they go.
We not pay this because my fear be that one not paying this money.
May then go ask President Obasanjo how he take get people who they hold to forgive us. And write up the former one.
Because now we're even the PDP governors all of them they don't come for this administration. Say before they get there, they say no reach this one.
Exactly.
You know, say but now when we say their own administration don't enter the regime now. Say be like say the base account does skyrocket. In fact, say they even ama CBN. Say now there too they join for the whole problem. Before you know they print anyhow. So things that they talk say CBN they don't even get choice based because any regime administration where they there they need to.
If they tell you make print, no print, they'll sack you.
They'll sack you and they'll change
The
your
irony of what this one I say, they say for grand though. They never sabi they go clear that one. They find the one where they go collect again.
No, not mine. No,
So act waiting there for grand.
See, if I swear, if they want reply, whoever don't criticize, they will draw this their leg. You know what will be their reply? When we came 2015, we had no money. We
exactly.
And when you meet nothing, you have to wait to borrow.
So
now why the
so all the oil they don't sell since 2015 condition now.
No, it's not reach the oil price. They low.
Okay. Well, anybody will know say. Children go and they go there by that time. More just they wait to turn to people Republic of China by 27 years time. When China will come take over this country, because the Igbe say where would they hold on too much?
But God if he pay this money back.
How? How? Oh yeah, now how?
God
go fit do one. God
now
nothing God can do.
If we pray.
Problem where we pray.
If we pray well. We pray we double our prayer.
Now China we owe, not be America.
If we
China they print their money from 3.
Now we
they collect their own money from
China
3.
no dey forgive wetin.
Okay.
People wey no fit owe money, China and Russia, then they forgive first.
No,
You see those two people? Those country. No, you're leaving.
And another thing where Chinese they do. Somebody don't discover them now. Then get all these loan apps where people they take borrow money from.
Why individual? Okay, government they borrow, individual they borrow.
Now,
we are gone.
Now this Chinese people, and when your date don't reach, next now something where somebody just discover self. When your date don't reach, they go come they threaten you. And on these loan apps, every loan institution they registered under CBN.
Yeah.
So under CBN, if anybody can collect loan from your organization, not even the issue of payback, every loan where you they give out. Now CBN rule say you go report them to what they call credit bureau.
Yeah.
That na the legit organization to report every loan. No be say the person no agree pay back, but just to establish say you don't borrow so and so individual this amount of money. So these Chinese people now, all these their loan apps, no they registered under CBN.
People still get money, they collect money.
They will collect money, and the interest rate they collect now 2-3 times higher than any of these other microfinance banks. Which they collect.
And Nigeria they get money.
They go collect. So when you reach your due date, you no pay. They go come, they call you. They go they threaten you. And because I don't get some text messages from some strange people say so and so person borrow money from us, which they illegal. It under CBN rule, it illegal. Now Chinese people they do all this one.
Government they collect, individual they collect.
I tell
we are on our own.
Chinese people they do all this one because I don't get like 2-3 text messages of somebody where they my contact. This person collect, tell them say make it come pay us. Now go come call say how far?
That's whoever they around you may rough from them because as I hear this one, my mind the court say first of all.
The sad thing I say, the people will go they call you, not even the Chinese people will call you. Now same Nigerians
when
like
they
you.
employ now normal.
Go they call you and they go they threaten you days.
But their work to recover the money person go borrow.
But when you go borrow money from those people, say.
Meanwhile, all the microfinance bank they borrow money, their interest is like 35-40%. So if you go collect from Chinese people where just trespass like that, which kind of sense he make to borrow? For instance, you borrow 2 million, where you go pay back, you come pay interest of 1 million. I don't understand. It don't make sense really.
The money
which
no
kind of
interest
interest
reach all that one. No, they reach all that 1 million.
So now even small money.
Now small money.
God forbid bad thing. Can never be my portion.
20,000, 15,000.
And they'll see they pursue them to come pay.
I'm telling you.
Who they borrow 50,000 will not pay back after a while? Go call the portion. They're supposed to arrest that person.